Cleaning is quietly killing short-term rental businesses, and most hosts don't realise until the reviews start dropping. This isn't bad properties, it's not bad guests, it's bad systems. With one listing, you can hold it together. At 5, everything that relied on you personally starts to break. Missed cleans, late check-ins, 1-star reviews that tank your ranking for weeks. And here's the truth, every single one of those problems is preventable. In this episode, I'll show you 5 cleaning system fixes that the highest performing hosts use to scale past 5, 10, even 50 properties without the chaos. If you're managing more than 2 listings right now, stay with me. This one will pay for itself. Welcome to Smarter Hosting, powered by HostPlanet and Guesty. This video is for hosts managing multiple rentals, property managers building a team, and anyone who's ever spent a Sunday morning chasing a cleaner. Because here's the shift, cleaning isn't a task, it's a system. And once the system works, you stop chasing. Every booking should automatically trigger a clean. That's tip 1, and it's the one most hosts delay. Professional operators don't message cleaners manually. The booking ends and the job is already created, assigned, and scheduled. This is where tools like Guesty come in. Inside the platform, every booking automatically creates a cleaning task assigned to the right person with the timing already set. No WhatsApp, no chasing. You open one dashboard and it's all there. Action step here, look at your last booking. Did you message your cleaner manually? If yes, that's your first system to fix. Tip 2, no checklist equals no consistency, and no consistency equals unpredictable reviews. Every clean should follow the same structure: bedrooms, bathrooms, kitchen, final checks. But here's where most hosts fall down. The checklist lives in their head or in a random document. Inside Guesty, you can attach a checklist directly to each cleaning task. So when the cleaner opens the job, the exact process is there. Every time, every property. That's how you scale standards, not just hope for them. Action step here, create one checklist this week, then roll it out everywhere. Tip 3, assign clear responsibility. Who owns the clean? If the answer is the team, that's the problem. Shared responsibility equals no responsibility. Every job needs one cleaner, one owner, no confusion. Inside a proper system, each task is assigned to a specific person and tracked. You can see who's responsible, what's done, what's not before the guest arrives. Action step here, audit your current setup. Is every clean owned by one named person? If not, fix it now. Before we go further, I'm going to share a common mistake. Have you ever relied on your memory instead of systems? I'll remember to tell the cleaner. I'll remember the early check-in. You won't. Not at scale. Systems remember, so you don't have to. Tip 4, build buffer time. Back-to-back bookings look great until something goes wrong. Late checkout, cleaner delay, maintenance issue. No buffer equals guest complaints. Professional hosts build buffer time into their system, not as a reaction, but by design. And importantly, that buffer is visible and controlled in one place. So you're not juggling calendars across platforms trying to make it work. Action step here, look at your busiest turnover day this week. If something went wrong, would you still hit check-in? If not, add some buffer time. Tip 5, track cleaning performance. If you're not tracking, you're guessing, and guessing doesn't scale. Track issues reported, time to complete cleans, and guest complaints. Inside a system like Guesty, you start to see patterns. Which cleaners are consistent, where delays happen, where issues repeat. That's how you improve, with data, not instinct. Action step here, start with one metric. Was the property ready on time? Yes or no? Track that for a week. It'll tell you everything. Quick question, how many properties are you managing right now? And what's your biggest cleaning headache? Scheduling, consistency, finding reliable cleaners? Drop it in the comments. We read every single one. If you want smoother turnovers, fewer last-minute issues, and better reviews, it starts with your cleaning system. And if you're looking for a way to actually run all of this without the chaos, take a look at Guesty. Guesty can help you whether you're managing a few listings or scaling a larger operation. Simply scan the QR code on screen to find out more, or hit the link in the show notes. If this was useful, hit like and subscribe. We've got fresh content dropping on Host Planner every single day. This is Smarter Hosting, powered by Host Planet and Guesty. And until next time, happy hosting.